Hello everyone, good day to you all. Welcome to Immerse Chef Recipes. In today's video, we are going to be making white chocolate without cocoa butter, updated. So here is the chocolate we are going to be making. You can see it. I'll show you, don't worry. You can see without cocoa butter. You can make like good chocolates like this. So I hope you're ready for this video. So we are going to be making this chocolate today, and you stay tuned and I'll be right back.
I know I did it before, but the one I did before, I want to update it because it wasn't the way things happened the way it is. So the video was like a kind of, I can't explain, but let's dive into the recipe. I hope you want to because I see people watch that video. That video is #1 video that is going in my video, but anyway, let me redo the recipe. So today I'm going to be making white chocolate without cocoa butter. So I have only 4 ingredients here to use, and that is one. I'm not going to use all the lemon, 1 lemon, no, it's just just a spoon or so that we are going to use. This 1/3 cup of icing sugar, 1/3 cup of our icing sugar. We're using 80 grams of
50 grams of butter, and here is our milk, powdered milk. I'm using 1/3 cup for the milk. So the next thing we are going to do, you can see we need our blender in making this, because the one I did last time I did not use blender, but this time I'm going to be using blender. So first thing first, let's deal with the juice, the lemon itself. So let's bring out the juice.
You can visit our website at www.immersechefrecipes.com. There you can see other recipes that I did not even make in this channel. So you can visit the website for more information. The address will pop out on the screen, so you will see it there.
Right, so we can get it from here. You can see the juice. So the next thing we are going to be doing is melting this butter. So right away, I think it's better like this. I don't want it to all of them turn into. So what we are going to be doing is this. We are going to be pouring in our icing sugar, 1/3 cup of our icing sugar, into the blender we are going to be using. The next thing is our milk, 1/3 cup. So right now, I'm going to be transferring this butter that we melted into this place. So the next thing is just a little of this lemon juice, not up to 1 spoon. Let's say half a cup, half a spoon, a tablespoon. Why I added it is to stabilize the sugar. So we're going to cover, and then I'm going to be blending it now. So if you have, you use. It is not a must, it's optional. So the next thing we are going to do is, now it's time to pour out this chocolate into this mold. I do not know if this one will be much, but let's try it. Let's see. Then let's pour the remaining, even though it's not up to one like the other one. So let's just do justice to it. So we are going to, we have some here that we can bring out. Sorry guys. No waste. No waste in this house. No waste in this channel. Yes, it's our house. So we are going to pop it into the freezer. If you have freezer, you pop, it stays like, let's say 30 to 1 hour, 30 minutes to 1 hour, or better still, you can pop it in the fridge for overnight if you like. But I'm going to be popping mine, and I will see you guys later when it's ready. Right now we can see. Let's bring out the chocolate. This is the half one, like I told you people. It's not the full, it's not like the full one. Here is the chocolate. You can see how yummy it is. So here is the chocolate. You can see it. Perfect chocolate. So you can make chocolate without cocoa powder. It's up to you. So right away we are going to compare and contrast. This is the chocolate I bought from the supermarket, even though maybe, let's say, it's not the same with mine, but can you tell the difference of the two? This is the one I made without cocoa butter. This is with cocoa butter. So can you tell the difference? You will love this. Just give it a try. You can't tell the difference between these two. So I hope you like the video. If you have watched to this level and you have not given us a like button, I recommend you give me the like button. At the same time, if you're yet to subscribe to this channel, feel free to click that red button and remember to turn on your notifications so that whenever I upload any new videos, you get to be notified. So thank you for staying to the end of this video, and see you on my next video. Bye.